surgeon for my final.
Joshua's baby shower with your mom. Relax, and I asked.
Okay, I think I'm ready to go. My friend Jen and I are going to
This is the barn.
barn. Wait, which one is Tex? Oh, hi!
Yep.
You were here this morning?
Yeah, we take turns. They need taken care of twice a day, if not more.
So what's in here?
All the equipment, but he's bloating. He doesn't want this tight. Come on. It's too big. I have a different one.
Something is scary. And these.
We're all gonna be confused. Hold still. Okay.
All right, I'll
Good
follow
boy.
you. Bye.
Good boy, Tex. What a beautiful day.
Walk on.
Give him a little more of a kick. Have a nice home. They can eat in this field.
Hi.
You having fun?
Yes, I am.
You look good up there.
Thank you.
Look at that smile.
Maybe not.
Say, that's a good boy. Yeah, this one we got to put oil in for Ian. Everybody's different. Oh, are you giving him an apple? Just because our dog is going to give him a treat. Oh, you need
Thank
a piece
you.
for Amir?
Yeah, if you don't
Yeah,
mind.
that's fine.
Wait, what are you doing?
I
He
gotta
needs
cut this.
medicine. Her horse needs.
I'll hide it in the pill.
He would eat his whole grain and spit that out. Isn't that crazy? You want us to give everybody else their treats?
Do it.
Hold it down like
Hey,
that.
so who's this for?
There you go. And Andy has to have one now because he's jealous.
Andy.
Yay! Yay!
Nice.
My go-to. So.
Look at that.
Thank you.
So if you can sit
No. Can I have a chocolate too?
popsicle.
You know, there's a
I want a chocolate.
wonderful ride.